Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, and a big hello. Welcome to Mindful Mondays. Meher karna, rehem karna, be kind. Kindness is spiritual, but it's also magical. When we are kind, that kindness will come back into our life through a magical path. I'm telling you out of experience. अब हमारे घर में हमेशा मम्मी पापा कहते थे, be kind. ऊपर से तो लोग खुश दिखते हैं, लेकिन अंदर से पता नहीं क्या दुख छुपाए बैठे हैं. Now listen to this story. 25 साल पहले की बात है. I was very busy with my professional career and हमेशा मुझे commercial assignments की तलाश थी. अब मैं चेक्स के इंतज़ार में थी, लेकिन चैरिटेबल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हमेशा मेरे पास आते थे. हम सबके अंदर एक मेहर और रहम का एंजल होता है और मेरे पेरेंट्स उसे हमेशा जगाते रहते थे. इनकी मदद करो, इनके साथ काम करो, ये लोग अच्छे लोग हैं. उसी तरह एक प्यारी सी लड़की मेरे पास आई जिनका नाम है रागिनी सिंघानिया. अब उनके साथ मुझे एक फ़ोटोशूट करना था. जैसे ही हम मीट में बैठे, उन्होंने कहा, मैं अभी अभी काम शुरू कर रही हूँ, सॉरी मेरे पास बिल्कुल बजट्स नहीं है. रहम और मेहर का एंजल जागा और मैंने कहा, नो प्रॉब्लम, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. चलिए, मैं फ्री हूँ, मैं आपके साथ शूट कर लेती हूँ. बहुत अच्छा शूट हुआ. शी गॉट बिजी इन हर लाइफ, आई गॉट बिजी इन माई जर्नी. बहुत साल बीते एंड आई यूज्ड टू थिंक, आई होप रागिनी ठीक है. फिर बस 7 साल पहले मुझे एक ईमेल आया फ्रॉम निधि गुप्ता अग्रवाल. उन्होंने बहुत प्यारा ईमेल मुझे और मेरे पेरेंट्स को लिखा कि मैं अपने कज़न ब्रदर से रागेश्वरी को मिलाना चाहती हूँ. वो लंदन में एक इंटरनेशनल लॉ बैरिस्टर हैं और वो ह्यूमन राइट्स में भी बहुत ज़बरदस्त काम कर रहे हैं. मैं रागेश्वरी को पर्सनली नहीं जानती, लेकिन मैं उसके बारे में सब कुछ जानती हूँ फ्रॉम माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड रागिनी सिंघानिया. एंड आई वाज स्टन्ड, क्योंकि बहुत सारे दिन बीते एंड आई गॉट टू नो हर लवली कज़न ब्रदर, जो आज मेरे हस्बैंड हैं, माई बिलवड सुधांशु. सो इट्स सो इंटरेस्टिंग कि मैंने एक छोटा सा फ़ोटोशूट रागिनी सिंघानिया के लिए किया and she paid me back in millions. She spoke loving words about me to Nidhi. And Nidhi, my lovely sister-in-law, is another angel who passed on the amazing random act of kindness to introduce Sudhanshu and me. So that's how kindness is. It's spiritual and it's magical. लेकिन हम गलती ये करते हैं that we want instant results. We want instant benefits, instant profits. We must believe in the law of the universe, the law of divine compensation. अगर आप अच्छा करेंगे तो आपकी ज़िंदगी में वो अच्छाई घूम फिर कर ज़रूर वापस आएगी. If you still don't believe me, let me tell you about the science behind kindness. The science behind kindness is absolutely magical. Harvard research tells us that one of the quickest ways to reboot a sense of self-worth, to feel happy, and to have mental equilibrium is to partake in a random act of kindness. That means be kind with people who you do not know and who can do nothing for you in return. Now the science. When we are kind, our body gets flooded with serotonin and dopamine. Now these are neurotransmitters for the brain and they give you a feeling of wellness and satisfaction. They instantly light up the reward centers in our brain, making us feel fabulous. When we're kind, our body also gets flooded with endorphins. Now these are natural painkillers. That's why when we're kind, we instantly feel happy, healthy, and calmer, and we reduce our stress, anxiety, and depression. So let's learn how can we bring kindness back into our lives. First, it's not about the money. Don't mistake random acts of kindness with signing checks. I mean, I'm not saying do not share your wealth. Please go ahead and share your wealth with other people. We must do that. But what I'm talking about is a feeling of consideration, having empathy, deep respect with our fellow human beings. Just having a mindset of kindness at all times. Second, kindness on repeat. The trick is to bring kindness into our lives on a daily basis. It should just become second nature. Almost being aware that, oh, there's an elderly woman out there. I think मैं उनकी मदद कर सकती हूँ with her shopping. Oh, there's an elderly man out there. I think मैं उनको अपनी seat दे सकती हूँ. Oh, there's a pregnant woman there. She's looking out for a cab. Perhaps I can drop her or give her a lift. There's a young man who seems very dejected. Let me share a coffee with him and ask him if he's doing okay. So it's just these random acts of kindness with people who you do not know and who can do nothing for you in return. And this is so contagious because it travels so fast. Third, be kind to yourself. अब मैंने इतना कुछ कहा, you will not be able to do anything if you're not kind to yourself. Because the relationship we have with others depends solely on one thing, the relationship that you have with your own self. अगर हम गुस्सा रहेंगे, खफा खफा रहेंगे, तो दूसरों के साथ प्यार कैसे बांट पाएंगे? That's why the next time you see someone who's annoyed and upset, we need to judge them differently and treat them differently. Hence, be much more kind. And like I said, let's start a mental pandemic of kindness. Let this be the most contagious and viral emotion in the world. Wouldn't it be amazing when we are kind in a family? The family passes the kindness into the community will pass the kindness into the city into the country into the continent into the world. It's absolutely possible. And guess what? It only depends on one person. You! So let's be kind in every season. Let's be kind without a reason. Wow! That's a lovely affirmation, isn't it? Next week, I will be talking about the power of affirmations. If we change the words we use, we can change our life. So until we meet next week on Mindful Mondays, go out there and spread some kindness.